Have you ever asked yourself, like, you see somebody in life and, they're a multi-millionaire, or maybe even possibly a billionaire, and you talk with them and you're like, how the hell did they get there? How the hell did they get there? When you speak to these people and you look at their character and you identify what they are, like what you see and how they, like, why, how the hell did they get there? It's because they're in divine alignment. So there's different types of people out there. There's people that are in divine alignment with the light, and there's people in alignment with the dark. So there's people out there that you will see that become very extremely successful, that won't last forever, or eventually, something will come down on them. Then you have individuals that are connected with the divine light. And when you're connected with the divine light, everything you've done doing is orchestrated by the higher spirits, the higher God, your source, your energy, the divine, the cosmos, the frequency, the energy that you excel and you put out and that you give yourself every day. Because when you wake up, it doesn't matter what happened yesterday. It does not matter as long as you have a solution. You can't take a problem and put it away. You have to have a solution. So when you have a problem, come up with a solution. Otherwise, that problem is going to continue over and over and over and over again. Find a solution. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a solution to absolutely everything that occurs with you and to you in life. There's a solution. You're just subconsciously programmed by reality and society that this is how the world is supposed to be. You're programmed for this shit. It doesn't matter if you have no money in your bank. It doesn't matter if you have $1 million in your bank. It doesn't matter if you're homeless, if you don't have a car, if you have luxury but don't have happiness, if you have freedom but no money. So there's so many equations and situations that are occurring in your life. Which one is it? That's for you to choose. But here's the most important thing. I want to let you know something. I'm going to let you know something right now. You could do whatever you put your mind to. It does not matter. You can achieve whatever level of success you want to achieve by completely reshifting your mindset, your neurological pathways, redefining yourself. And understand you're the creator of your own reality. That's the biggest thing you got to understand right now. You're creating right now what you are subconsciously and consciously thinking in your head. Lights out. Ladies and gentlemen, there is ways to get out of this mindset or this energy that you keep attracting. Because keep in mind, your focus and where your energy is going to go is where your focus is. So if you're focusing on certain things, that's where your energy is going to go. And you're depleting your energy and you're scattering it everywhere because your mind is everywhere. Your focus is everywhere. You got so many problems. You got so many situations. Focus. Focus, 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 focus. I'm excited that I will be writing a book. I'm also going to be doing some classes. I'm going to start courses. I'm absolutely 100% going to explain to you and teach you how to change your entire reality. I'm going to make it happen. And you just have to listen to me and go through these, I'm giving it to you. I don't care. I don't even get paid from this stuff. I don't care about that. What I care about is helping you get out of where you're at right now to become who you're supposed to become. And when you start to feel that and embrace it and understand it and accept it, you watch your reality change. You watch every challenge that you have in your life right now become another piece to the puzzle to make the masterpiece, who you are, what you bring to the table, everything about you. Why are you self-driven? If you're not self-driven, you need to really sit down and dig into yourself. If you don't want any more out of life than what you have right now, then my videos aren't for you. These videos is an intervention to show you and tell you how to get through from where you're at and where you're going. So I invite you to listen to all the videos, but ladies and gentlemen, I'm getting ready to start kicking off some series. I'm getting ready a lot of things are moving, a lot of stuff behind the scenes. And as this all starts to roll out, I'm going to announce it to everybody. Please share with your friends and family, because you don't know, there may be something I'm going to tell you that will help them. Financial, not too much financial. Yeah, I'll talk about crypto, relationships. I'll talk about life. I'll talk about business. I'll talk about how to overcome stuff. I'll talk about how to stay motivated, how to get your ass up out of bed every single day, no matter what you're facing, and move forward. Have your drive, have your vision, have your focus and move. Put your energy in one spot and watch how it's going to hurt at first, and watch it all come to one spot. Your focus is more intense, and you're now directed to what your purpose or your goal or your vision is in life. Appreciate everybody. Everybody have a great night, and please like, subscribe, comment, follow me on YouTube, follow me on all these other channels. TikTok's done, penalized me, I guess. I don't know. I don't get views anymore. So I'm going to start posting more on YouTube. And then at that point, on stage with you. So we'll talk to you soon. Have a great night.